how to silence all notifications on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode so that all notifications are silenced on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's actually really easy to silence all notifications on our iPhone. The first thing we need to do is open up the control menu, and we could do that by swiping down from the top right. And once you see this menu here, you'll see focus. Go ahead and select focus. And then to quickly silence all notifications, all you need to do is select Do Not Disturb. So now we have silenced all notifications on our iPhone. You can also just select the three dots right here and turn on Do Not Disturb for an hour or until this evening or until you leave your location. It'll turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Now, if you want to customize Do Not Disturb so that you get notifications from some people or some apps, just go ahead and select Settings. Then in the settings, all we would need to do to allow some notifications from people is select People. Then we can select Silence Notifications From or Allow Notifications From. Then select Add People. Select the person you want to allow notifications from, and then select Done. You can also allow calls from your favorites list, your contacts, or everybody. We can go back and we can also allow certain apps to send notifications. So go ahead and select Add Apps, and we can allow notifications from any of the apps in this list. Additionally, if you scroll down, you can also set a schedule so that Do Not Disturb turns on automatically, either by time, location, or if you're using certain apps on your phone. All right, so that's how you silence all notifications on an iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.